Imagine yourself in this 2008 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.